welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got some Vans trainers. In particular, we have the Lowland CC. Now these are a great alternative to the Nike Dunk Pandas, since everybody's got them these days. In terms of fit, in €1 I went down half a size and they fit great, really comfy. Right, so let's show you the trainer. There you go. So you've got a real leather upper, rubber sole, and the Comfycush inserts and soles. So they're really light as well. Great on the foot. RRP about £85. Yeah, great alternatives to the Nike Pandas. I've got these directly from Vans. Yeah, Vans Lowland CC. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out on our other social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Right, thanks very much guys. I'll see you all soon.